Ever spent hours on an AI video generator only to get inconsistent or broken anime clips and then jump between multiple software just to fix simple shots? That's one of the biggest problems creators face when learning how to make AI videos. You can generate a clip, but keeping your story consistent, making changes without starting over, and managing everything across multiple tools can become a real headache. But what if you could generate, refine, and edit your entire video in one place? The videos you saw at the beginning of this video, and even some of the visuals you're watching right now, were generated inside CapCut Web. No advanced editing skills, no complicated AI prompts, just a simple idea turned into videos in completely different styles. So if you've been wondering how to make AI videos without complicated prompts or advanced editing skills, this tutorial is for you. CapCut Web is an all-in-one AI video creation platform where you can generate, refine, and edit videos without constantly switching between different AI video editing tools. CapCut Video Studio uses a timeline-free, canvas-based workflow, so you can test ideas, compare different variations, refine your videos, and keep everything organized in one place. To get started, simply open Google Chrome or any browser, search for CapCut, and open the official CapCut website. From the homepage, enter Video Studio. You'll see a prompt box right in the center, and this is where everything starts. From here, you can create either short clips or longer videos depending on your project. Here, you'll also find Skill and Director, which lets you generate premium quality films and create videos by the minute. One of the biggest problems with regular AI video generators is that they often produce fragmented short clips, which can easily break the flow of your story. This is where Seedance 2.5 comes in. For this demo, I'm going to generate a complete 30-second video so we can really see what it can do. I'll choose 720p resolution, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and a 30-second duration, and I'll be using Seedance 2.5 directly inside CapCut Web. I'll use a prompt like, create a cinematic Japanese anime battle where two legendary tigers fight beneath glowing cherry blossom trees with magical energy. And that's basically it. There's no need for advanced prompt engineering or complicated camera instructions. Just place your creative idea directly onto the canvas, generate it, and the result appears right there as a visual output. Instead of generating several disconnected clips, Seedance 2.5 can generate a complete 30-second video in a single generation. And if you want to continue your story, you can extend the existing video even further while maintaining much better consistency. It supports up to 2 extensions, allowing you to create videos of up to 90 seconds while also giving you more precise control over how your videos are generated and refined. Ready for further editing or creating different variations. So creating your first video is actually much easier than most people expect. But if you're creating videos regularly, another problem quickly appears. You don't want to rewrite the same visual instructions every single time just to get a similar style. That's where skill creation becomes really useful. You can create your own custom skill by uploading reference images or describing your preferred style once. CapCut can remember your characters, visual style, brand assets, and storytelling preferences, so your new projects can stay consistent while saving you a lot of time. Now, keeping one character consistent is one thing, but when your project grows into multiple scenes, many AI video tools start to struggle because of limited reference uploads. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 reference assets, including images, videos, and audio files. This gives you much more visual context and makes it easier to maintain consistent characters, visual styles, brand elements, and storytelling across an entire project, even when you're creating more complex multi-scene videos. Now, let's take the same idea one step further. Instead of creating a completely new scene from scratch, I can continue building on the anime concept we just generated. I'll expand the existing battle sequence and turn it into a complete story where the good tiger eventually defeats the evil tiger. After the first intense fight, the tone gradually shifts into a more magical and cinematic atmosphere, leading toward the final victory. This time, existing 30-second scene into a longer story. But generating the video is only the first step. Another major challenge creators face is making small changes without having to regenerate the entire video. This is where learning how to make edits efficiently becomes important. Other AI filmmaking tools may require you to fully re-render a project even when you only want to change one small part. But with CapCut, you can refine specific parts of your project while keeping the rest of your video unchanged. And if you only want to change one specific moment, Seedance 2.5 also provides timestamp-based controls. Let me show you the before and after result. Now CapCut Web, allowing you to edit individual parts of the story without regenerating the entire video from scratch. As you can see, the scene can be extended in a natural and continuous way. The transition is almost unnoticeable, making the entire sequence feel smooth, immersive, and complete, just as we described in the prompt. And once your AI generation is ready, you don't have to move everything into another post-production tool. You can continue editing directly inside CapCut Web using its multi-track editing workflow, adding captions, music, sound effects, and making your final adjustments before exporting the finished project. It also makes it easier to handle different creative formats and multilingual workflows, so you can adapt your content for different audiences without rebuilding the entire project from scratch. And that's really what makes this workflow so useful. You don't need to be an AI expert. You don't need complicated prompts, and you're not constantly working across multiple tools anymore. You simply describe an idea, choose your format and settings, generate your video, maintain consistency with skills and reference assets, extend your story, make precise timestamp based edits, and finish everything directly inside CapCut Web. Everything stays inside one platform. So if you want to try this AI video creation platform, check out CapCut Web through the link in the comment. Make sure to subscribe.